Bida na sa amin si Gustav.
Good afternoon, everyone. We want to share to you an account entitled Maria Antoinette, the memory of the fallen leaf. This is a sympathetic account of the private life of the last queen of France before the revolution. In 1770, Maria Antonia Josefa Juana, affectionately known as Antoinette, is a beautiful, charming, but naive 14 years old youngest daughter of Austria's Empress Maria Theresa. She was selected by her mother, who married her second cousin, the Dauphin of France, Louis XVI, and sealed an alliance between the two rival countries. At 19, she became the Queen of France, and she presided over one of the most dazzling, extravagant, and intriguing courts the world were known. After many years, Maria Antoinette bare her first child, but the most trouble stirring in her adopted country was soon to make her wish they had never been born. As the world she had done to crumble about her, Mary Antoinette found the courage to face events of such terror that her average hair become white overnight and face the death that shocked the world. Let's start with the time after the attempted escape. The deputy public prosecutor, Jacques René Hebert, was in charge of the depot. He was cruel and unscrupulous man delighting in the revolution. The shouting of the crowd was heard outside the fortress of the castle at Knights Templar.
Ketawa. Wala kasi hindi ko alam yung zoom.
The monarchy, my highness, was at an end. You were no longer the king and queen of France, but Louis and Antoinette Capet.
That's not my name. It's the name of some of my ancestors, but not mine.
Louis Capet.
What a shame. You're like an
Lord Capet, royalty. My highness.
One evening, René Hebert came to Maria Antoinette and her family's dungeon and brought the news that was a bitter blow in their life.
Patay tayo dito. Si CJ magdadala. Ayan na.
Louis Capet.
What do you want, Hebert?
The list of all the kings. Come with us. We will bring you to the royal court. No! God! No!
Dalawa yun. Tunay yun. Hindi joke. Pero hindi talaga. Galing na. Pakis, tunay yung tulak na yun.
After Louis XVI was arrested, Maria Antoinette was told that her child might visit the king, and with a terrible foreboding to guess that her husband was sentenced to death.
Capet, here's your family.
Sige, kaya niya yan. O dahil alaman o hindi. Shit! Galing! Kakaiyak. lang.
Why? You're a good boy, father. Who wants to kill you? I will kill them! I will!
Promise me that you will never try to avenge my life.
Nakakilabot yung tube, yung background.
Temptation of Fate. Si Heidi siya kasi. Chantal.
It's time to live the game now.
Going!
This mister. My goodness. People not to let
Going! Go!
Go, Ali, go. Pasok sa loob.
Maria Antoinette was up early next morning waiting for Luis, but he did not come. Then a lady brought the ring, dress, a
Para may
silhouette of
bubugan sa loob kapag...
and reminded her she is now a widow. Then while she was with her child in their dungeon, a burning remembrance broke like a cardinal bell in her heart.
Mama, baka himatayin ako sa stage.
Hindi kasi.
Dito na.
Yung dalawa rin. Yung dalawa rin. Script ko lang siya.
Maria Antoinette, you have come to take Luis Charles Capel for his new prison.
No! No, you cannot! Simon! I get a friend! Recover your
Patay tayo. Gago, pinanad ka naman ng todo. Huwag na ba, Joey?
Luis Charles Capel was not made revolutionary.
Oh, hindi. Wrong. Ano lang yun?
And made him forget the blood of the king run in his veins.
Kahit
The
hindi
nights
ka siya
of
mamatay,
Maria
screenplay lang.
Antoinette hurt him to be so long. She was still in prison in the considerate, the other room of Dennis Front. She was not allowed to talk to anybody. She is just a witness by the changing of the guards in her dungeon. Slowly, the days and night pass. Soon, they will bring her to trial.
Ayun lang yung bilog ko sa
Please? It's my David's club. My time will soon come. The length of my days. There is nothing I can do. I know that there are not many days left to me.
Maria Antoinette!
We will take you to the court.
Tataw yun. Yung dalawa naman yun. Monthly visit.
Grabe naman yung dalawa.
Gante ka. Ulak mo ako. Ba't binamat mo?
Maria Antoinette was conducted to the old chamber, which is now called the Hall of Liberty. She was achieved of sit on a bench in front of a corporate bill, the public prosecutor. This made in believe she was living in a nightmare, that she had died and gone to hell. This should be done to you.